Today, we celebrate a monumental moment, the first of many to have a profound influence on our communities for years to come.
We're creating the workforce for tomorrow by preparing people for great jobs and jobs that don't even yet exist. We're providing access to high school students who may have never even thought that college was an option for them. And having this facility located directly beside a college campus, I think is really groundbreaking.
Everything here is state of the art. This lab alone is just one small example of the amount of technology available to the students in order to get real world access and hands-on training rather than just through lecture and textbooks.
Well, the goal here is to have students complete high school, go directly to work or technical college. So whatever direction they take is the skill level required and the equipment that they'll be dealing with is really the sort of innovative future. So they have to get exposure here to the augmented reality, the artificial intelligence, digital control systems. So part of that whole expectation of industry, you've got to do it early in order for kids to get that exposure and training.
We want to give our instructors every tool that they need to help our students be extremely successful, and we're extremely proud that we've been able to do that here at the Anderson Institute of Technology, and specifically in this HVAC electricity lab.
We work on the idea that it begins with problem solving and critical thinking, and then looking at the troubleshooting aspect of that is how do you analyze that, break it down, and how can digital systems help students to be able to monitor systems as well as improve systems.
With what North Park Innovations has put together, they've created training systems that are not only innovative in the technical areas that they're teaching in because they are in that area. They deal with technicians on a day in and day out basis, and they understand the industry and they know what students need to be taught. Well, that gives us the ability to go out, and when teachers see what they can do, it gives them credibility, it gives us credibility that we have content experts that can build these training systems to be what they need to do. So for instance, the systems that we have here they have fault insertion capabilities on them, which gives the student or the instructor the ability to put faults into these training systems, and the students have to troubleshoot them and actually find out what's wrong with them and how they would fix those units going forward.
We're surrounded by leaders. See, managers manage, leaders create. And that's what those school boards did. They created opportunity for something as special as this to be created.
Local businesses and industries who have partnered with and generously donated to AIT for helping to provide industry standard learning environments and expanded opportunities for students to learn in the workplace through internships, apprenticeships, and job shadowing.
And on behalf of all those thousands of kids that will enter these doors over the next 25, 50 years, they can't say it to you today, but on their behalf, I want to say thank you, job well done. Thank you.